check this out, dudes. Viofo 4K dash cam, front and rear view facing footage. Viofo SD card. Viofo dash cam HK4 hardwire kit. So it'll record without, it'll only deplete your battery until so far, and then it'll stop it. But otherwise, they record 24 hours. So we probably won't hook this up today, but we'll get this bastard stabbed in there, and it'll be awesome. Yeah, it'll be awesome. Oh, let's open it first. Let's see what happens when we open it.
Yeah.
Oh. Instructions.
Those are always handy.
Well, it's got the GPS module onto it, this thing here. Somehow, some way, that thing comes off, but it's got the GPS module so they can track your every move. Oh, what the hell? Camera. What?
Another one?
Oh, interior camera. Rear camera. That would be awesome though if we had one for, the back window of the truck, but then also the back window of the topper, just in case I wanted to use, you know what I mean? But that's kind of cool. Oh, so many wiring components. Extra 3Ms. What is this? A lens cap? Oh, it's a new lens. Oh, maybe it's just oh, it's like a filter or something, I think.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. First the heat comes on.
Of course.
Oh, it doesn't even hog a USB. It gives you an extra. That's bonus. Interior camera. I'm not sure I dig that. I'm not sure that corresponds with you're just gathering evidence at that point, you know what I mean? The dash cam's one thing, but just straight gathered evidence. So here's one car. Oh, I was stuck on there. Awesome. Holy shit. I don't know. Look it up. Just it.
Immediately.
Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah. Oh, we gotta choose what we're dealing with here.
It's good.
Yeah, dude. Oh yeah, there she is.
Recording. 3 channels started.
Fucking 3 channels recording, boys. That should go well. You're starving.
No, it's just my stomach just going.
Yeah, because you're starving. That's what that means.
No, it's not always what it means.
It means you got diarrhea?
Maybe.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. We need to get fucking. We need to capture the passenger, not the driver, for fuck's sake.
Oh yeah.
Why would we need the driver? But that's kind of dumb. It's not a very wide. That's probably fucking actually pretty good. Right on top of the old Bearcat there.
Mm-hmm.
That's fucking hilarious. Well, I got the Bearcat cam. Just hooked right up so you can sit in the cabin, terrible.
Mm-hmm.
You can switch views. That's the that's out the back there. On the front, I don't know. Well, it's just snapshot and all type of photographies now. Mic on,
Voice
mic,
recording disabled.
mic off, mic
Voice
on.
recording enabled.
Record on, GPS is on. Nice. Oh, Wi-Fi.
Mm-hmm.
How do you get the Wi-Fi to work?
Wi-Fi enabled.
Just like that, I suppose.
I guess so.
That's handy. At least get some shots and see how the footage is on the movie, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Your test drive today.
Wake up, laugh,
Watching.
No. Oh, we should go say hi to Too Much.
Van Gogh's Sunflowers, like one of the most famous paintings.
Oh, my friend!
Hello.
How you doing? You know my friend?
Today?
Yeah. Wood! You got wood!
Oh, today. Working. They are working. I go there.
You want to come over and give me a hand with some of my stuff? I got a bunch of stuff to do. I could use a hand, buddy.
Huh?
I could use a hand.
No.
Over
You need a
inwood.
Viola?
Your help. You help me.
Viola, you need a
Yeah. Viola? What's that?
300, 1 pound.
301 pound?
Yeah.
Oh, Marijuana?
Good one.
Oh my God.
Outside, no inside.
It was 40.
Inside is 1,000.
It was 40 bucks 3 years ago.
No.
No?
300.
Wow. You want to come and give me a hand?
Yeah. you
We're
need
working on the van.
My friend here, not me.
We're putting solar panels on the
100
van.
pound.
You want,
100 pound.
you want to help? Hey, tell your friend that I got a van and I can haul 1,000 pounds of marijuana.
100,000, yeah. You need, okay.
Yeah.
You need?
Yeah.
Okay, how much money? Inside? Inside Toronto.
You give me
Maybe
you give me 4,000
800,
bucks.
400 inside.
4,000
4,000 pound. 4,000 pound, maybe
to deliver it.
8,000, 800.
No, I just
pound.
deliver it.
Inside,
I'm
two pound.
I'm a delivery company.
You can't, you see that?
Delivery.
Huh?
Delivery. It's like a UPS truck, buddy.
Oh, I don't know English. You need my friend here outside. 300. He go Toronto. Maybe 400, 500. He not going to here and here. You land people.
Chicken house?
Yeah,
Chicken?
yeah,
Chicken in there?
yeah. Chicken.
Oh no.
You know.
Too much chicken house.
No business, no good. No business, no money. You know.
Yeah.
Business money.
Too much. You finally got some firewood.
No.
Son of a bitch. Okay, I go.
Okay.
Thanks for the help, buddy.
Yeah. Don't be stressed. Look good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't be stressed. Look good.
Yeah. Yeah. Too much you don't got. Nice. Simultaneous type recording.